Hello, hello, hello. This is George of Coatings by the Bay, your local new car paint protection expert. We are based in Grand Chute, but we serve the entire state of Wisconsin as we offer mobile installation as well. And like I said, new vehicles is what we do. Ceramic coatings is what we install to protect them. And this is a brand new 2026 Toyota Highlander Platinum Hybrid. Beautiful vehicle inside and out. And we will start with the interior because the client did have the interior coating added to the gold package. As normal, you'll see, a nice deep non-greasy sheen here for, the blacks. Grays will change color. A couple colors that don't ever change when coatings get added is, browns, reds, tans. You don't see a huge difference. If you catch the light right here, you'll see ever so slight bit of gloss to it, but it's not a massive color change like the darker colors. But yeah, leather, textile, plastics, really everything except the headliner and the seat belt gets coated on the interior. Give me a sec. Then we've got the full exterior done, which I mentioned was a gold package. That is rims, glass, plastics, trim, all that gets coating. It's an 8-year coating applied to the paint, as well as a single step of paint correction, just to remove any of those wonderful dealership detailer marks that gets put in during that nice wash and wax to get you out the door. So again, a gold package applied here, which is rims, glass, plastics, trim, everything except the rubber on the exterior has been coated. And man, the day they start making a rubber coating, we'll add that in too. So if you are buying or have recently bought a brand new vehicle, avoid things like auto armor, entire car protection, diamond ceramic coating, permaplate, all of those crappy dealer offerings that are just a piece of paper. And even if it's not with Coatings by the Bay, get real protection applied to your brand new vehicle. It'll help you rest easy at night, give you actual shine. There's real prep involved, so the paint's in great condition versus just some sealant slapped on over swirl marks. If you would like a quote for your new vehicle, text me. My name's George. Number is going to be 920-659-0023. Again, 920-659-0023. But we are also the most transparent company in Wisconsin, and possibly the most transparent company in the U.S. And one of the things we are always transparent and open about is our pricing. It's listed in 40 different places, over 40 different places on our website. I don't hide my prices. It makes no sense. It leads to non-productive conversations for both sides because you walk in not knowing what to expect, and then feel some shock, rightfully so. So yeah, we post all of our prices transparently. A vehicle this size starts at $995 for a 5-year coating. The gold package for this is obviously a couple dollars more, but you can walk in, walk out with zero pressure for $995 and have, 5 years worth of paint protection, which is, a heck of a deal. So again, you can visit our website and see all the prices there transparently. That's going to be coatingsbythebay.com, or you can text me anytime. Again, my name's George, 920-659-0023. Just send me a make, model, year. And if you need mobile service, include your zip code as well. All we need for mobile service is an enclosed space like a garage with basic power and water available. So nothing special. We bring all of our own tools. I'm probably a 50-50 split between mobile and in studio. We do a lot of work down in the Madison and Milwaukee areas off the lakes down there. So yeah, if you bought new and you need some ceramic coating applied to your new car, truck, or SUV, I hope we at least make the list to have a conversation. And I wish you a wonderful day or night, depending on when you're watching this video. Have a good one.